Hey YouTube, today I got something a little different for you guys. I got some Boss Audio stuff. I got this through the Boss Insiders program. I'll put a link up in the video for you guys if you want to check it out and join. They have contests and different things you can do to win items or review items or different things like that. So you can actually get yourself this setup if you work hard enough for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that amplifier. You guys see I got a used Boss 5K sitting back here too. More on that. I got videos coming up on that. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So this is their 4,000 watt amplifier. It's $110. So it's a really cheap amplifier. So like we got some Boss Audio stickers, bunch of different stuff, manual, bass remote cord it looks like, or maybe the data link cord, because these amps are strappable. This would be the bass remote cord. Here's the bass remote, just a plastic knob, not something I typically use. So the amplifier, it actually looks pretty nice. I like the finish on it. And it's got the chrome emblem on it. Plastic end caps, which for a cheap amplifier is fine. It's got the vents in the bottom. It's got like a felt over the inside so you can't get anything in there. That's nice. This is going to be kind of complicated, finding some terminals that are going to work with these. I kind of want to make some like 1-out adapters for these things. And then you have your output terminals, your fuses, your battery, remote, ground. Other side, got your input mode, master slave, level, subsonic filter, data link, ins, outs, low pass filter, bass control, bass boost, phase control, protect, and power light. Overall, the amp looks pretty nice. It's not super light. I like the heatsink on it. Curious what the guts look like. But we'll do that later. So set this to the side for now. Judging by the fuses on that amp, and amp dynos that I've seen, it actually does around 1,000 watts RMS. So for $110, that's actually not that bad. Even though the amp says 4,000 watts on it, if you look at it from the budget standpoint of what I'm paying for what I'm getting, that's not bad at all. So subwoofer, I've had a bunch of Boss Audio subwoofers in the past, and they've all been way off ratings. This one says 2,600 watts, which I know it's not going to do, but I'm curious what their new subwoofers are actually like. Like I said, I've had a bunch of them in the past. Some of them have been decent, some of them have been complete flops. But none of them have ever been rated properly. At least not for a very, very, very long time. Looks like we got the manual. Might be a sticker in there, not sure. Cardboard, more cardboard. So. Huh. Actually, for a Boss Sub, this doesn't look that bad at all. There's actually some magnet here. Yeah, I want to take off that boot. Actually, the surround is... that's pretty nice. That's comparable to some other brands. Concave dust cap. You can see it. Well, it fingerprints up easy, but actually looks pretty nice. Paper cone, paperback cone. Can't tell what they have for spiders. Maybe one single spider on the large landing. Can't tell if there's one underneath or not. There's no venting in here for the coil. No coil venting on the motor. Just a simple pole vent. Dual voice coil. It's got single lead wires each side. And it looks like a 2-inch voice coil. Overall, it actually doesn't look that bad. So I'm curious to see how good the coil is, because that'll make or break this subwoofer. All depends on that coil. Kind of want to peel the magnet boot off, because if you've seen my past videos, you take the boot off and there's nothing under there. And yeah, there's actually ferrite there. And there's ferrite there. So that's a true dual stack motor, actually. That's actually pretty nice. I wonder if I actually have a Boss motor. I'll do that in another video, because that's definitely an upgrade. Let's see here. I'm kind of curious to see what the speakers are like. And this sub was what? $60? So for a $60 woofer, that's not that bad. I don't know if I'd say it's the best, but all depends on some testing, but that's not too bad. That's competitive, I guess, for the $60 price range. Cutouts and stuff, that's pretty nice. So let's see their speakers. Well, speakers actually don't look too bad. I like the dust cap. Surround feels nice. Cast aluminum basket. It's not super tingy. Motors are pretty small, so probably not going to get a whole lot of power through those. They say they're 500 watts, but I highly doubt that. Probably like a 30 RMS driver, somewhere in there. But don't look too bad, actually. Doesn't look that bad at all. Spiders feel nice. It's okay, so I've had a bunch of Boss speakers in the past too. This actually surprises me, because this is quite an upgrade compared to what I've had in the past. So I'm just gonna give them that. I mean, that's really not that bad. And like I said, I'm gonna test all this stuff too, because you never know. It could be one little thing that makes or breaks something. But let's see the tweeters. Actually, I really like these tweeters. These are like the older Pioneer Premier tweeters. Is that plastic? Yeah. Okay, so this is aluminum, and then the back cover's plastic. Let's see if I can pop it apart. No, I think I'd have to get my tools to do it. They actually look pretty nice though. See here. I can see the magnet and it don't look too bad. They actually look very similar to like the little bit older Pioneer silk dome tweeters. And the Pioneers sound really nice, so I am curious to see how these sound. If they sound anything like the Pioneers, that's a hell of a good deal. Let's see. Here's the crossovers. They're actually pretty heavy crossovers. I wonder why. They have like a steel bracket on them, chrome bracket. That's where the weight comes from. It actually looks really nice. Yep. Minus 6 dB, minus 3 dB, 0 dB for your tweeter, and then woofer. And it looks like it shares common ground. Interesting. So I can't wait to test this stuff out. I'm gonna throw the speakers in my truck. I'm gonna throw that in a box, and I'm gonna throw the amp in my truck. And I'm gonna bump a Boss system and see how it does. Yeah, overall, I'm actually kind of impressed. It says it has a aluminum voice coil on the speakers. I didn't even read the boxes or anything. I kind of was expecting less, I guess. I'm curious if the sub has an aluminum voice coil former too. Doesn't say. I'm gonna read through the manual and stuff and see if I can't find out if that has an aluminum voice coil or not. So most Boss subs in the past have been a Kapton former. They don't hold up well to heat. They don't last very long. Some of their subs that I've had have been aluminum former, and they actually hold up so much better. So it's high temperature voice coils. FS 35 Hertz, X-Max 11 millimeters. Yeah, doesn't seem too bad. Nothing about if it has an aluminum voice coil or not. So I guess if I blow it up, we'll find that out. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And yeah, we're gonna do some boss stuff. And this whole package, if you were to buy it, like the speakers, the sub, and the amp, was like $240. So I mean, it's pretty inexpensive gear. A lot of people spend more on one subwoofer than that. So thanks for watching.